Hello and welcome to your Bright MLS Facebook Live. My name is Mariah Jacobs, and today we'll be going over modify listing defaults. What are the benefits of modify listing defaults, and of course, where are they located? So the modify listing defaults are the frequently asked questions when entering a listing within Bright MLS, which can help you save time. Now let's locate exactly where your modify listing defaults are located. When entering a listing into Bright MLS, you of course will select the Listings dropdown. Selecting listings, you'll then select Add and Edit Listings. To enter your new listing, you'll select New Listings here in your upper right-hand corner. And the first question that you first must always answer is, what type of property are you entering? We're going to select residential, but what's important for today's topic is the modify listing defaults. I'm going to select modify listing defaults. And again, these are the most commonly asked questions when entering a listing, and this helps you save time. So first things first, what's the most commonly asked question when entering a listing is the listing agreement type. Mine is selected as exclusive agency. If you select your dropdown, you also have another option here where it has exclusive right. If you're not familiar with the definition of these terms, on the right-hand side, you have Show Options Help. Once you select Show Options Help, it provides you with a definition of each term. Your next question is listing service type. Mine is selected as full service, but of course, again, if you click that drop down, you have a variety of options. And as long as you have this Show Options Help, you'll always get the definition. The next question is dual variable compensation. Mine is selected as no. If you have the same co-listing each transaction, you can simply locate that agent by searching for them by their name or their subscriber ID. Auto school populate. Mine is selected as yes, of course. Be sure to always check your county's school boundaries to make sure that they are up to date. Photo option. Mine is selected as lister will upload all. Now keep in mind, you can set these defaults up, but if it doesn't apply to that particular client, you can absolutely delete it and reset it. Again, these are the most commonly asked questions when entering a listing to help you save time. The next few questions are pertaining to the seller's authorization. So again, these may change depending on the type of listing that you're entering in. You'll scroll down, you have show option requirements. If you always usually have your client as 24-hour notice, you have 24-hour notice selected here. But again, if you click this arrow drop down, you have a variety of different options. Showing method type, showing contact name. You have a variety of options below here, as well as the lockbox type. You do not have to select central lock each time. Of course, if these options do not apply to you or that particular client, you are more than welcome to change them. Now, as you see here, I have a few defaults set up. And because I have not made any changes, I'm not going to go ahead and click Save and Close. But because you are new to this, be sure that you select Save and Close. I'm going to select Cancel. Now, again, the Modify Listing Defaults is a great tool to help you save time when you are utilizing the Listing Assistant tool. Again, this is one of the steps to help you save time and is one of the steps when you're entering a new listing. I hope this helps you enter your next listing a bit faster, and thank you so much for joining.